Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run GitHub code. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to run GitHub code, you will be needing either compiler, interpreter, or any editor that would run your code. And basically you cannot do it directly from GitHub. So you will be needing to import your project to an editor, and it can be something like a Visual Studio Code or any other editor that you are using. And from there, you will be needing just to have the tools to run your code. So let's suppose that your code has some JS file or Python files or whatever, and you will be needing just to import the code. So you can simply open a folder, or you can simply go to the source control, and from there you will be needing to initialize to import repository or whatever, and after that you will be able to run the code by going to the run code and click here on the files that you want to run. And after that, you will be able to run your GitHub code or project. Otherwise, you can start using an online editor or online editor so you can run your GitHub code. You can simply uh, remove the .com domain, and from there, you will need just to add .dev. So in the GitHub, you will add .dev. You will press enter, and as you can see now, GitHub will start setting up your web editor. And basically now that it's been set up, let's just redo the operation. And here we will be able to start opening our project. And my bad is that I didn't open up a specific repo. So I will need just to open up some repository. And from there, I will need just to click again at the div. And from here, it will start open up my project. So as you can see now, I have Visual Studio Code now in the online. And basically now, let's just allow. And now you can start using your GitHub projects, and you will do the same for the online editor. You will need just to get your projects or the files that you are using and then just run them. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.